Hi guys, Winnie here. Today I'm going to unbox this Pikmi Pops Surprise and hopefully try to draw it for you too. So I have no idea what these things are. I went to the candy store and I saw these things and they look pretty cute, so I figure I will figure it out with you and unbox it and see what's inside and draw it for you. So hopefully you guys will love what we find inside. So I have no idea what these things are, so I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you and learn as I go. So let's see here. It says over 45 of them to collect, and of course they're called Pikmi Pops Surprises. And I guess there's all these flavors: chocolate, bubblegum, raspberry. Let's see what else it says: watermelon, banana, blueberry caramel. And the contents is a scented plush, a small lollipop vessel, a surprise message, a lollipop stand, and let's see here, a dangler string, and one collector's guide. So let's see here. I think you start from here. There's this little zipper area. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip this. So bear with me because I've never done this before. So see if I can figure this all out. Okay, so we got the wrapper off. And now we have this little plastic case. So I guess you gotta pop that out. And then you have, this is what I assume is the plush. And inside, I guess that would be the stand. And it's a Toogie the puppy. I guess that's what we got. And there's a little envelope. And here's a guide, I guess. This is what that is. So let's look through a guide. And, ooh, let's see. So we got the Toogie the puppy, and so he's a common. Aww, it's not an ultra rare. Ooh. But let's see what he looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and see what this is. It's a little envelope, and it says, chocolate, you're a total pup star. So it's a little envelope. Pretty cute. Make one of these for you guys, huh? Draw us a cute envelope. Okay, and then let's open this. This is the main reason why we're opening this. And there's a little thing right here where I can rip it so I don't have to use scissors. And ta-da! Oh, he's so dotty. Let's see, does he look anything like his picture? Well, he's not as dotty in the picture. So I guess I will have to draw Toogie, I guess. Toogie the puppy for you. And so this is what he looks like. He has this little string that you can hang. And let's see, I'm gonna smell him. Smells like chocolate. Yum. Okay, so this is Toogie the puppy and Pikmi Pops. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this for you. And oh wait, before I do that, is this what that is for? What is this for? Let's see. This is where I put, do I just stand him here? Okay, I guess I do. All right, so let's go ahead and draw him. So now I'm going to draw Toogie the puppy for you guys, and I'm going to basically kind of follow this drawing that I see right here on the envelope, which I think is a little bit cuter than the actual plush, if I may say so. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this for you, and hopefully you guys love this little Toogie. And I'm going to start by the top of his head, so I'm just going to draw, let's see here, I'm going to draw a curve for the top of his head. And then I'm going to come onto the sides, and I'm just going to draw his ears. So I'm just going to bring down a curve and come back up and curve it in. So same thing on this side, curve down, pop it out a little bit, and connect. Okay, so then now I'm going to go ahead and draw his body. So I'm just going to come in here, imagining this curving around. And all I'm smelling right now is chocolate. It's pretty powerful stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna go all the way around. And let's see here. Before I keep going, I think I'll stop right there. I'm gonna draw his arm first. So I'm gonna say about right here since it's his center. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve because I don't want to erase because I'm gonna be coloring it for you guys. So I'm gonna come here and just draw a curve that comes in for one arm and brings it out. And go back in, I mean. So there, got one arm in, so it's just a curve in and just finish that off. And I'm gonna continue my curve all the way down and just go ahead and connect it. Okay, so there I got a nice little round oval shape. And so from there, I'm gonna come in this area. Since I'm down here, I'm just gonna draw his legs. So it's just two curves, nice and centered. And let's draw his other hand. So I'm gonna come over about right here, and I'm just gonna curve it out. Curve it out. And once again, I'm not going to finish it because he's holding this little chocolate chip right here. So I'm going to come about right here and just cap it off with a curve and draw the chocolate chip. So I'm just going to come up, curve it out, bring it back in and connect it. And just finish off the hand. There. And then now for the details. So I'm going to come in here in this area right in the center. And I'm just going to give him his little nose right in the center. It's kind of like a little triangle. And then from there I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to come in the center here and bring out a curve. Bring out a curve and cap it off. And his little tongue. So I'm going to come in the center and draw a little curve. Center. And so now I'm going to draw his eyes. So they're heart eyes. So I'm going to come in here on the side and draw two hearts. So right there. And draw two hearts and then a little curve to anchor the eyes, and there's going to be little cheeks. And then let's come in here and I'm going to start to draw all the little dots on this dog. So I'm not going to add as many as that obviously because I think that's just way too much. So here and there I'm just going to randomly draw some shapes. It's kind of like a cow. Just wiggle out some shapes here and there. Towards the edges. Another one here. Smaller one. Bigger one. And like that. So then that's pretty much it. And I'll go in there and color it for you. So let's see here. The ear, I'm just going to give it a little highlight. So I'm just going to draw in that shape first so that I don't go over it, and just color this all in black. Okay, and then everything else, all these little dots are going to be black, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Oops, the paper moved. There. Okay, so I have all the black in. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this fuchsia color and just, it's the hands. So this is just your basic Crayola watercolor. No, that's not right. Crayola marker. Water base, I mean. Oh my gosh, where's my brain? Okay, the arms and the legs. Let's see what else is pink. Oh, and the eyes. So just come here and give it a little bit of highlight. Okay, and the tongue, I'm just gonna make it pink. And the chocolate chip. And last thing is the cheeks. So let's come in here in this area and just put in 2 little ovals. And that is pretty much it. You can come in here with, oops, excuse me, with some gray if you wanted. Give it some shadow. So there, that's my version of Toogie the puppy. Hope you guys enjoyed opening this Pikmi Pops with me and finding out what we got. And you love this little drawing here. And hopefully I'll get to do more unboxing videos for you and drawing videos. I'm gonna put him right back in here because this chocolate smell is really strong right now. And I'm gonna cover him up for another day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.